Hi guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel once again. If today is the first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Faith. Here I share an apps where you can make money online. Any app I'm doing, I bring it here to share. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to talking about Crush Life. Okay, a lot of people keep on asking me, Faith, does crush really pay? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the real proof and how much I withdraw and how it works. No hype, no lies. Disclaimer: this video is education purpose only. I don't guarantee earning. Earning depends on your activities, your consistency on the app. Okay, study the app very well and also follow the app rules and regulation on the app. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I withdraw my money from Crush Life. Okay, this is actually my third time withdrawing from Crush Life, but I keep on getting this message that, Faith, does Crush pay? Does Crush pay? I decided to withdraw the money I have on Crush now and show you how it works and also show you what you need to do in order for you to make extra cash on Crush Life. Okay, so as you can see, you downloading Crush, making money is depend on how you take the app, the consistency, being an active user, performing tasks before you can able to earn money on Crush. Maybe you don't know about this app. You can actually go to my there is a video I did, I think 3 months ago. I did about Crush, how you can actually navigate the Crush Life app. Okay, so I did a lot of video about it, which you can actually go ahead and watch those video and understand how Crush Life work before download. Maybe you don't have the app. You can actually go to the Play Store. I'm going to be putting the link down on the comment of this video, or you can go to Play Store and download it. Okay, so if you go there, join an agency. Okay, so now I have to come and complete my withdrawal because of the messages I keep on getting. Though when the last time I withdraw, I I withdraw up to $20. It remain $9. Okay, let me just complete it now and with the due to the messages I'm getting, does Crush really pay for it? So now it's okay. Let me just complete it now and withdraw it and show you guys that this app really pays. It really pays. Depend on how you work on the app. Okay. So for those of you that is on Crush, maybe you are looking for a way to become a golden host. You're looking for a way to becoming an official host. You can actually join my group and DM me. Once you DM me, then you explain to me what you want, how you want to. If you want to become a golden host, it's fine. If you want to become a golden host, I will send you the requirement. Okay, if it is good for you, you can apply. It is not by force. It depends on what you choose to do. Okay, so now you can see that all the payment method is available. I did a video how to withdraw, but then I haven't withdraw then sha. So now you can see that all the payment is available. If you're from Benin Republic, there is no need for you to, if you don't even have USDT, there is no need for you to go and looking for USDT. You can withdraw with your mobile money. Right now, I'm going to be withdrawing with my mobile money here in Togo. I'm going to be withdrawing. If you're from Togo here, no need of you running around for USDT. I have USDT and also have my mobile money here in Togo. So, and you can actually withdraw from PayPal, Payoneer, anyone you feel like you can withdraw with it. As you what I have now in Togo region is Move, Miss Payes, and um, Binance. Okay, so because I'm in Togo, right, I'm gonna be go ahead and withdraw this my money in Togo. This is how I'm doing it. Okay, so if I don't have time of going to Binance and selling it, I will just withdraw direct and use the money immediately and use it now, now, now. Okay, this is how I'm doing. Okay, so now you can see that this app is that, or if you go to other apps, I think their percentage fee is not that high. I think it's not that high because I am in different app and notice that if you are withdrawing from your mobile money or withdraw from your bank, like some app actually charge 3% and this one is just 2%. You see, so it's actually a good one. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my mobile money phone number. That is the one I want to withdraw. That is account holder. I'm going to be covering this thing now because it's actually my account number. Okay, I don't want to dispose it here because it's actually my mobile money. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put my name. Okay, let me just put my name. If you are watching this video and you have not withdraw before, watch this video carefully so that you not made a mistake. Being you want to withdraw with your mobile money in Nigeria or your OPay account, watch this video carefully so that you not make a mistake. There is a one mistake that some people's withdraw, but thank God that this app is genuine. That once you made a mistake of your withdrawing, they can refund the gram back for you so that you can correct it and withdraw it. Thank God. Okay. Now, if you know that maybe your name is on your OPay account or your mobile money is precious faith, make sure you write precious faith. Okay? Do not just write precious and leave faith. Like they're going to refund that gram back. Thank God for this app because there's a lot of people that counter this issue. Maybe they want to withdraw, they will go ahead and write their surname and leave their name. Okay, so don't do that. Make sure you complete your name. If your name is Emanuela Faith, just write Emanuela Faith. By then, app can recognize you easily because if you write Emanuela, it's not be only you the answer Emanuela. So make sure you write your full name correct so that you no made a mistake by withdrawing. So that you know say why did they rejected my withdrawal? Because if they reject your withdrawal, they're gonna bring the grant back to you so that you can, as I said before, so you can complete your information again and withdraw. Okay. So now I'm actually putting my password here. That is the reason why it went black because this is actually an security reason for my account. Okay, that is the reason why it went black. Okay, note that before you can withdraw, they will ask you to put your password. Maybe you are this type of person that usually forget something. Make sure you write your password on a sheet of paper. Keep it safe so that anytime you want to withdraw, you can able to found it and use it to withdraw. Because without you um having your password, you cannot be able to withdraw. To avoid all this drama, you need to go ahead and keep your password safe. Write it on a sheet of paper, keep it safe so that anytime you want to withdraw, you can able to use it and withdraw safely without having any problem. Okay, so now you can see that I have finished putting my password into one successfully. Then you're going to see that my mobile money is already there, which I'm going to be covering because of my security reason. Okay, so you can see that the I have $10 on that account. Now I want to I go back to my account because someone is actually sent me a message. And do you know about the good thing about this app is that once somebody sent you a message and you reply, you're gonna earn ground. So okay, let me just reply this person and get some ground before I withdraw. Okay. So this is actually a very, very nice app. So I need to go back to the withdraw option again and also okay, this person actually writes a message again. Let me just reply this person and let me just reply this person. Okay, so now you can click on the withdraw option because the password is already saved successfully. Okay, are you sure you want to apply to withdraw? This is the way they are going to ask you to input that your security password. As you can see, withdraw application successfully. Now you need to come out there. If you come out there and go back to your withdraw again, then you will click on the history to know if the withdrawal you apply for actually went successfully. If you go to it, you're going to see that it is there that you apply for withdrawing. Okay, which means once the money comes to you, you're going to receive the alert. Okay, let me just show you something. Now, okay, on my Mac, I'm not allowed to. Okay, so let me just go back. Okay, and reply this person. Let me reply this person. Okay, I promise that I'm not going to be dating this video much. Okay, I'm not going to be dating this video much. If you see me reply this message, if it is editing, I'll cut this thing off. But I decided to do it so you guys can understand. Okay, now maybe this app is actually a self-gifting app. Maybe you buy coins and you want to play games on your room. You can actually sit in your own room. Okay, You maybe you want to perform your task or you want to go to someone party and sit. It is not a must. You can stay be on your panel and finish up. Very, very nice. Okay, if you play game or you send yourself lucky gift and you win, you can actually send it yourself. Okay, let me just go to withdraw again and actually show you something. Okay, if you click here, you're going to see the tool. So you can see that apply for withdrawing. Withdrawing. Though I made a mistake. I actually made a mistake because I used my move money
Add
number
on
to
Miss
add.
Bias. Okay, that is where I made a mistake by adding my by adding my move money to Miss Bias, and they refund the gram back and I corrected my number and they pay me immediately. As you can see receipt, I withdraw 5,000 safer here in Togo, and if you convert it to naira, it's almost 6,800 naira. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you are still asking if Crush is paying, Crush pay. Crush pay depend on how you work on there. Thank you so much.